Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've got the iPhone 16e from Apple. It's been out just over a day, and I've got to say right from the start that I didn't think Apple were going to call this the iPhone 16e because it was rumoured quite some time ago. I think 16e dates the phone a lot more than the SE branding does, and we've already heard rumours of an iPhone 17e next spring, so it's possible that this is going to mark the start of a new sort of release schedule for Apple. So they could potentially go in the autumn, September timeframe with the 17, 17A and the rumoured Pro and Pro Max, and then next spring launches 17E as well. The box is very familiar, it's pretty much the same as the current lineup, the only difference being obviously the image on the front, being the iPhone 16e. Everything else is pretty much the same. So I'll just take off the pull tabs from the back of the box and remove the top. I'm just going to put the device to the side for 1 second. And let's take a look at what else is in the box. So we do still have a SIM tool in the UK because we still have physical SIMs. The cable is braided, which is nice. Used to be really poor quality, to be fair, Apple cables, but they're not so bad these days. As you can see, the back of the phone is really clean, no text at all, not even the word iPhone. I'm not sure if this is the colour-infused glass that we saw on the iPhone 15 and the 16 base models, but it is a very nice finish and very clean finish in this black. I have to say the phone looks really sleek when it's off with just the black screen and all the black casing. It's really nice. No camera control button on this one, but you do get the action button. Out of the box, it does require a software update to iOS 18.3.1. Just doing that now. So with the software update complete, I'm just going to go ahead and set some of the settings up on startup. I'm not going to have stolen device protection. I'm going to set this up for myself, but I'm not going to transfer anything at all. I want to set this up as a new phone. I will share analytics with Apple and developers. Now the 16e does get the Apple A18 chip, which means we get Apple Intelligence and Visual Intelligence, which are both in beta. We get the new Siri animation, and I'm going to go ahead and select camera as a shortcut for the action button. So what's new? So we've got a 6.1 inch OLED display, which is a big upgrade from the LCD display in the SE this phone replaces, but it's only 60 Hz, it's not 120 Hz, so no ProMotion, but I don't think that's a deal breaker at this price range. Also gone is the home button, no more Touch ID. I think that's the last device Apple sold with the Touch ID button, so we've got Face ID instead. We've also got the action button, and on the back is a single 48 megapixel camera, which is going to be great for taking pictures, I think, and for the target market of this phone, I think that's just fine. Also, USB-C replaces the Lightning port. So one feature Apple have left out of the 16e is MagSafe. So you can still charge it wirelessly. As you see here, it charges absolutely fine, 7.5 watt charging. However, if you want to charge it at an angle, for example, on this charger here, it doesn't actually look very good. So you're going to get this, you're going to get it falling off. Still charging though, to be fair, but it's fallen off, which is not a good look. So here's a couple of comparison videos shot first with the iPhone 16 Pro Max and then with the iPhone 16e. I think they both look pretty similar and both really good videos, to be honest. Both shot in 4K 30 frames per second. Taking a look at a couple of photographs as well. We've got the 16 Pro Max 1 times and the 16e 1 times, and I think the 16e looks a little bit warmer by default, if I'm being totally honest, and then the same sort of photograph taken with the Pro Max 2 times and then the 16e 2 times. Both had the rich contrast photographic style set as well. Both displays look really good in bright sunlight, but the 16 Pro Max is a little bit brighter, as you'd expect. So that's my review of the iPhone 16e from Apple. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. Thanks for watching.